Spills on the floor, stains on the couch, dust bunnies in every corner, grime on carpet-covered stairs. It feels like every mess needs a different tool until I met this guy, that is, the Eufy E28. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're shopping for a new machine to clean your home, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right one to match your needs. In this video, we'll check out the new Eufy E28, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum with a detachable, portable deep cleaner. This is the Eufy E28, the world's first robot vacuum that not only sweeps and scrubs your floors, but also tackles fabric stains with a built-in, detachable, portable deep cleaner. That's two machines that can handle multiple cleaning tasks in one sleek system. It's a feature I didn't realize I needed until I had it. You might have seen similar machines on the market. They're meant to clean rugs, carpets, your couch, and mattress, even your car. With the Eufy E28, it's built in right onto the dock. And since I live in New York, where space is limited, it's a godsend to have one machine that can do it all. It's space-saving, time-saving, and frankly, kind of genius. Like when I spilled my drink, instead of dabbing at it with wet napkins and leaving it to dry, I just popped the deep cleaner out and ran it over the spill before it turned into a sour-smelling, sticky mess. I know, deep cleaning is still a chore, but once you do it, it just feels so satisfying. This button on the head sprays water to get the surface ready, and as you glide the handle over stains and spills, you can watch them disappear, and when you're done, you can tap this other button, and the hose pretty much cleans itself after. Want to know a dirty little secret? My couch outside on the patio hasn't always been as clean as it looks now. New York City is pretty dusty, and while I used to wash the covers as often as I could, it just took so much time. A boy needs to relax on his weekends too, you know. So, ever since I got the Eufy E28, I've been pulling out this deep cleaner and running it for a few minutes as often as I can. That way, on a nice day out like this, I can confidently lounge around without worrying about dusty cushions. Now, let's talk about my floors. The Eufy E28 uses a hydrojet system that scrubs the floor instead of wet mop pads dragging behind a robot. It spins the mop 360 times per minute, applies pressure like you're scrubbing it manually, and keeps the roller clean by flushing fresh water in and scraping dirty water out in real time. And with TÜV certified deep cleaning, I don't have to worry about it being only surface level. You can see the difference based on how clean it looks after, but you can also feel the difference when you walk on it barefoot after it's freshly cleaned. It also uses 50% less water versus older traditional robots, so it runs longer, wastes less, and it doesn't smear things around. And when it comes to vacuuming, the E28 pulls no punches. With 20,000 pascals of suction power, it's strong enough to lift dust and debris from between carpet fibers and floorboard seams. It even adjusts automatically when it sees a rug or carpet, so you get extra power exactly where it's needed, without lifting a finger. Now, if you've ever had a vacuum that gets tangled with hair, listen to this. The E28's brush actually retracts and reverses during self-emptying, flinging any hair straight into the dustbin. It's called the Duo Spiral Brush, and I haven't had to cut hair strands off it once. That's a huge win if anyone in your household has long hair, or if you have a pet that sheds a lot. The E28 also has something called Corner Rover Arm for those hard to reach corners and edges. One of its side brushes basically extends and spins to grab those pesky dust and dirt that accumulate and hide in areas regular robot vacuums cannot clean. Speaking of which, there's probably more dust under your furniture than you think. With the combination of AIC technology and its built-in LED light, the E28 can intelligently navigate its way through those areas too. And if you have random objects underneath, maybe a lost slipper, or all of those charging cables you're hiding, AIC Tech can identify over 200 obstacles and avoid them. You'll know it did its job when you open the app because it'll tell you exactly what it saw. And Here's something I didn't expect to love: smart dirt detection. The E28 doesn't just clean in straight lines, it also recognizes over 30 types of stains and dirt, then switches settings in real time to handle each one. So things like juice spills, sauce splatters, or coffee grounds on the floor are handled differently. It adjusts suction, speed, and mop pressure automatically. Now, let's go back to the base station for a bit. You already know that it holds this portable deep cleaner. But this same compartment is actually shared by the robot vacuum. So no, they don't just stack like this. The clean and dirty water tanks are used by both machines. So after each cleaning session, the robot docks back and does 6 more tasks for you. Not only does it empty the dustbin into the dust bag over here, it automatically washes the mop, dries it with hot air, collects all the dirty water, refills the clean water tank, and then dispenses the cleaning solution. So it's ready to go for your next cleaning session. The best part is they can operate separately at the same time. So while the robot cleans, you can still pull out the deep cleaner and tidy up your couch at the same time. The Eufy E28 isn't just a robot vacuum. It's also a hydrojet mop, a deep fabric cleaner, an intelligent navigator, and a self-managing cleaning station all in one. If you're tired of switching between multiple machines just to maintain a clean home, or if you just want something that actually handles everything, the Eufy E28 is it. Knowing I have the portable deep cleaner on top of a robot vacuum and mop, cleaning has been a little less of a chore, but more part of my routine. If that sounds like something you need, the Eufy E28 is available now. You can get it for just under $1,000. And if you use the code EUFYHydrojet, you get an extra $150 off your purchase. And if you're looking for something more affordable with the same amount of suction power, check out the Eufy E25. And as always, make sure to use my links in the description box below so that you can get the best deal possible. Thanks to Eufy for sponsoring this video. And that was our spotlight on the Eufy E28. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we publish new videos. Follow me on social media for all behind the scenes fun, travel, and fashion. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.